Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and welcome back to another video. So hey, happy new year. This is actually the first video that I upload, like that I make in 2023, because I uploaded my Shein haul, but that was actually made in December. So this is actually the first video I filmed in 2023, and I'm planning to stay consistent this year, and I look forward to this year. Like, I'm super excited. So this video, I'm just bringing you guys along a productive day. I actually woke up really early this morning and I cleaned and took Margie to school. I came back home and got ready because I really was not feeling it. I was like, let me get ready so I can be productive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm talking about 2023, I've been working on my vision board. So I'm going to like put a picture up here so you guys can see it. And I did it on Canva. And I just have a little few things. So I'm actually going to go to the pharmacy so I can print it out. But yeah, it's just a few things like shut up, go hit the gym, because I always talking about going back to the gym. Like, girl, you always talking about going back to the gym, but I'm like, for real, I'm tired of going back to the gym and leaving the gym, losing and gaining weight. Like, now this time we getting fit for real. Then it says expand your world through languages, and I have that on there because I want Marjorie to learn Spanish real good. Like, she understands it, she speaks it a little bit, but I want her to like be, we out here bilingual. And I put the braiding hair because I want to learn how to braid hair. I don't know, I might pull the Kim Kardashian and have to pay the amount she paid to learn how to braid hair, because I know how to do plaits, but I don't know how to braid from the scalp. And sometimes you have to like fight for your life to find somebody out here to braid your kids' hair, and all these rules they be having, or some people don't even want to do it, and trips. And you already know I love God, so I want to get closer and closer to God, you know. Hit the gym, drink a lot of water, eat healthy, and the 1K subscriber. we're almost there. So yes, and I want to bring back my lash business. So that's some of the things on here. So yeah, of course I can add more. This is what I have for right now. And I'm actually nervous to go to the laundromat. Like, I don't know why I'm nervous. I went to a laundromat all my life growing up, and I'm not afraid to go back. I'm not afraid to go back to a laundromat. I'm just nervous because I haven't went in a long time, and I haven't got a washer and dryer for this home yet because one thing, I live in the 3rd floor, and who's gonna help me bring this thing up here? I'm not gonna bring it up here myself, and I just haven't found the ones that I want, you know, because appliances can be expensive. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start my day because before I sit back down and not do anything. Let me show you my outfit. So you already know I love Rod Wave, period. Yeah. And then my jeans. Okay, I cannot balance anymore. My American Eagle jeans. I still wear skinny jeans, and my shoes in my bag. And I did like a ponytail, and I was supposed to do like, I need to stop cutting my hair by myself because I always cut my hair ever since I was little. Let me tell y'all, so when I was little, my aunt would always give me bangs, but then she went to Mexico, so I had to do it myself now, and I cut too much to the point where it was like a little bit, it was like to like up here, and I would use gel to stretch it out. One thing I need to stop doing in 2023 is cutting my own hair, or thinking that I can cut my own hair. I was trying to do like these curtain bangs, and y'all, look at this. It's like cute and stuff, but I didn't think about it because my hair is curly, so I did it when it was straight, which they already grew. My hair grows fast in the front, so that's good, but I don't know what I was doing. But okay, yeah, for real, let's go. My mom gave me this plant, right, for Christmas. Ya se está like secando, it's drying up. ¿Qué está pasando aquí? Like, Do not trust me with plants. Like, I already watered this plant. Is this like a seasonal plant, or is this supposed to happen, or am I doing something wrong? Porque, mira, ya le eché agua. Somebody help me, because I am not a plant girl. This is sad. Guys, so I put my clothes in there and it's washing, and I live in a small town, so, and plus the lady was there, so I came here all my life when I was little, so I'm like kind of comfortable leaving it here because it's gonna take a while to wash, and I'm trying to stay productive. I'm not trying to just sit around and stare at the clothes washing and the clothes washing staring back at me. So I'm on my way to wash my car because it needs to get washed from the outside. I don't know if it brought good memories coming back. Like, I'm just so happy. I'm just trying to be happy about every little thing. Like, you know, I just, like, one thing about it is I can't forget where I come from or where I grew up from. Just coming back to the laundromat, it's just like just like great memories. Me and my siblings will always be fighting over who's gonna get a snack, fighting over just this is my favorite cart, or upset at my mom because we had to fold our clothes, or because we had to wake up early in the morning to come wash clothes. My car is washed and I got a free like coin to vacuum, but my car doesn't need vacuum right now, so I'm gonna save it for another day. But I'm gonna go ahead and go to Chick-fil-A to grab something because I just realized I have not eaten breakfast. I've been drinking water and I have not ate breakfast. Like, what is wrong with me? Me voy a desmayar y ahí voy a quedar. I'm gonna freaking pass out and nah, that's not good. I'm supposed to eat. It's like the first week of January, right? And I'm trying to like take it slow because I feel like for the past years I've like pressured myself, like as soon as January 1st hits, you're back at the gym. So I'm trying to get like myself together one day, but taking it day by day, like, you know, starting eating healthier, cutting off certain foods, and my plan is to go back to the gym next week. So yeah, I don't know what like healthy options they have at Chick-fil-A. I really don't get breakfast from there whenever I go, so let's see what they have. Chick-fil-A has been here for I don't know how long, and I have never been inside of it. It's probably because of COVID. I got so used to not eating inside of restaurants, so now it's like, wow, I have never been inside of Chick-fil-A. I guess because of COVID. Why do they have lunch already? It's early, but I'm hungry, and I just got the wrap because okay, I'm over here stressed out and I'm hungry already. So I got my Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite before I go in there and check out my clothes. There's more people here. Hopefully I don't see somebody that asks me about where my mama at, where my daddy at, all that. All up in my business, to be honest. Because like I said, I live in a small town. And you know how grown folks be doing, talk about, oh, y tu mamá, y tu papá? Like, lady, I just came to wash clothes. These wraps look little, or I'm just hungry. gonna take a bite. And I love the avocado lime ranch. It's so good. Okay, a little bit. This is so good. The happiness is kicking in because I was getting hangry. And now it's like kicking in, you know, like. So I'm finally finished washing, drying, and folding my clothes. So I'm here at Walgreens. I actually put in the order of the picture. I don't know how I did it, but hopefully it like comes out correctly because I don't know what was going on. Like it was cropping stuff out, so I'll just see how it looks. And it cut some of the stuff off, but it's okay. At least I have it on my phone. This is just to like, you know, wake up and look at it. It's a little motivation. So not too bad. It looks good to me. Just some stuff was cut off. It's still on my phone, so. I'm back home. Whew. Carrying all this stuff up here. I'm tired. What happened? Then I went to Dollar Tree and I got this tray for the brownie. Then I got this like whiteboard with chalkboard because I'm gonna do something with this. And then I saw these. I'm gonna do a lot of things because Valentine's is coming up and I love Valentine's Day. And these heart-shaped things, you can do muffins. I was thinking about doing these like breakfast. Have you guys seen those egg white muffins at Starbucks? I was thinking about doing it but with the hearts. Then we can do muffins. I have so many ideas. And then the measuring cups but like heart-shaped. This is so freaking cute. Then I got the little frame for my picture. Let me see. It's supposed to be looking like this, but it's okay if it's like that. It's fine. I'm gonna put the stuff up and I'm gonna go pick Margie up from school and then I'm gonna come back home and start cooking. Okay, so to make la tinga, you have to boil the water first. So the water was boiling. Then you put the chicken in there. Well, I washed my chicken. Baby, it's 2023. If you don't wash your chicken by now, I don't know what to tell you. It's between you and the Lord now. Because I try to tell you, wash your chicken. But anyway, yeah, and I put like a lot of onions in it. Because my mom has always said que le pongas mucha cebolla a tu pollo. Para seasonings, I'm just going to use this Goya adobo. Put it in there. And then I'm gonna use este caldo de pollo. I'm gonna put the lid so it can boil. For the chicken, and I already like desmenuzarlo. How do you say that in English? Desmenuzarlo. Shred it, yeah, shred it. Shredded the chicken. Darling, moving it. So this is how my tostadas de tinga look. It's pollo, queso, crema, lechuga. So good. Here, let's test try.
Okay. This giant one.
Is it good? I didn't make it too spicy because I know you don't eat spicy. Guys, so we're about to We have Miss Margie here, the baker. She got this Christmas from Santa Claus.
Yay! I love Santa.
Okay.
And I got.
So we got the Supreme Chocolate Chunk Brownie Mix. We
And I
got the
got
vegetable oil. We have the egg.
And we have extra just in case.
Okay. Now go ahead and dump this in there, entonces.
Ooh, I see the chunks of chocolate. Chop, 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 chop. Let me see. Okay.
This is how the brownie looks. You guys, I literally just woke up from a nap. After I took out the brownie from the oven, I took a nap because I was like so tired. I've had a long day today, but very productive. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.